Good morning. Welcome to Math Time. Um, we have another tally chart that you're going to create today. That is your goal. Yesterday, if you remember, we asked two questions to our family members about one was about their favorite season, the other about where's the favorite place that they like to visit. And based on their answers, we made a tally chart. Behind me, you see the tally chart that I made from asking my family those questions. Well, today, you're going to ask your family two more questions, and you're going to write it in your journal just like this. This is what I've done for today. Okay, you'll notice that back here I have a really big chart, but I have just that same type of chart in my journal. Okay, you're going to ask the question, which food do you like the most? And you're going to limit it to three choices. Okay, so they have to choose either pizza, burgers, or tacos. All right, and as your family members respond, you just put a tally mark in each place where they respond. If they said pizza, tally mark goes there. If dad says burgers, tally mark goes there. Okay? Then the next question says, what is your favorite activity to do outside? And it gives them three choices: jump rope, basketball, or ride a bike. Okay. So you're going to be doing a lot of surveying your family and collecting data over the next several days because our next few math lessons look very similar to this. So you'll get used to this process of collecting data and using your tally marks and creating a chart. Okay. So we will do this for another few days. Um, I want you to record your information inside of your notebook, just like I've done right there. I also want to remind you that we are on day 17 in our math packet, and there is an activity that goes with the math packet, just very similar to what you did yesterday, where it's going to ask you some questions about the data that you get right here. Okay, so you'll need to look in your math packet on day 17 and find that information. I'll link the little question on the below this video as well. And then I also want to tell you that in your math workbook, looks like this, you are going to do page 89 and 90. Okay, page 89 and 90. The math workbook pages that are listed on your guide, you don't have that math workbook at home. So the pages I always tell you are alternative pages that are in the math workbook that you do have at home. Okay, so it is a little bit different than what it says on the guide because I know this is the math workbook that you have at home. All right, guys, have fun with this, and I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks.